Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica Support Videos. This is Akshaya Srinati Kripa from Informatica GCS. In this video, I will be showing you on how you can check environment variables read by IICS Secure Agent. The agenda for the meeting would be why there is a need to check environment variables that are read by IICS Secure Agent, how to check the environment variables picked up by the IICS Secure Agent along with a quick demo, a few reference articles. Let us understand why there is a need to check environment variables read by IICS Secure Agent. IICS task failure can occur due to improper configuration of system environment variables. Say for example, you are setting an environment variable OpenSSL in IICS Secure Agent server. Now you are using a post-processing command that will make use of this environment variable in IICS task. For some reason, you see that the task fails because it is not recognizing the path that is set for that particular environment variable. In this case, you might need to debug why the environment variable is not being picked up by the secure agent. You should also know whether the variable is getting picked up or not in the first place. So to debug such issues, it would be a lot easier if you can check the environment variables that are being picked up by the IICS Secure Agent. There are also times when the environment variables have been set but the task fails. In this case, it is important to check if the agent is picking up the environment variables or not. If the environment variable that you are looking for has not been captured by the secure agent, it can be because of any of the following reasons. The variable has not been configured properly on the secure agent machine. Once you confirm that the environment variable is not picked up by the IICS task, you can check if the variable is set properly by executing the set command in the agent server. You will need to verify if the environment variable is configured properly in the agent server. If the variable has been set, the server may need a restart to reflect the changes. So you might need to stop the agent services, start it, and then restart the services to pick up the changes made in the environment variable. How to check the environment variables picked up by Secure Agent? This is pretty simple. You can create a simple task. It can be a mapping configuration task, replication or synchronization task with dummy flat file source or target that runs on the secure agent to be tested. The secure agent whose environment variables you're looking to get details about. The command will be added in the post-processing command section under the schedule tab. If the agent using which you are running the task is a Linux agent, then you will have to enter the command env and redirect the output to any file as per your convenience. If it is a Windows agent, then you can enter the command set and redirect the output to a file in the post-processing command section. Here the path refers to the path of the directory and file name refers to the file name of your choice. Click Finish to save the task and then run it. Once it has completed, you will find the file in the location specified in the command. It will contain the environment variables picked up by the secure agent. If you do not want the file to get created, you can also simply run the env or set command directly in post-processing command section without redirecting the output to any particular file. In that case, you might need to run the task in the verbose mode. Once the task gets completed, you can check the session log of the task for the environment variables read by the secure agent. It would contain the details of it. Now let me show you a quick demo on how you can configure set or env command in IICS post processing command. Once you log into your IICS org, navigate to the data integration console and create a new mapping task. I am creating a simple mapping task that has flat file source and flat file target. If you are looking to debug this environment variables in an existing task, you can very well do that as well. Select a target object. I'm creating the target object here at runtime. It's just any dummy file. Now that you are ready with the sample mapping that you have created, please create a new mapping configuration task on top of it. I'm selecting the secure agent, and to include the post processing command, which is where we'll be including the command that would help us in looking at the environment variables that are picked up by this particular task, which means the agent which runs this task. In the schedule section under advanced options, you'll find this section called post processing commands. Because this is a Windows agent, I'm using set command and I'm redirecting the output to path C drive. Once this is done, click on finish. Now I'm gonna go ahead and run this mapping configuration task. Yeah, the task got completed. Navigate to the path that you have included in the post processing command. In my case, it was C drive flat file. Now you'll find that a new file got created in this directory. In my case, it is env.txt. If you look at the entries of this file, it contains all the environment variables that are set in the agent directory and which are being picked up by the Informatica Secure. You can now have a check on this output file that got created. It has entries of all the environment variables which are being picked up by the secure agent. In case any of it is missing, then you can debug further on why the environment variable is not getting picked up by the secure agent. You can refer Informatica knowledge base for more information. You can also have a check on the KB article 626962 for detailed information on this. We would love to hear back from you. In case of any feedback or reviews, please write to us on supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can also tweet us on InfaSupport. Thank you.